Spring is here, and while we wait for summer rains, every drop of water counts. With just a few simple changes, you can enjoy a healthy, water-wise garden without wasting a drop. Start by giving your outdoor spaces a proper spring clean. Skip the hose for paths, patios, and driveways. Use a broom, rake, or even an outdoor blower instead. If moss and weeds have taken over during winter, treat them with a moss killer or a ready-to-use herbicide rather than blasting them with a high-pressure sprayer. Next, check for hidden leaks. A sudden spike in your water bill is a warning sign, so call a plumber if you suspect one. Fixing even small leaks can save hundreds of liters over time. When it comes to watering your garden, consider drip irrigation. This method delivers water slowly and directly to the roots where your plants need it most, reducing waste and boosting efficiency. Thinking of planting? Choose drought-resistant indigenous species like aloes, agapanthus, gazanias, golden daisy bushes, otherwise known as Euryops pectinatus, or speckboer. These plants bring vibrant colors throughout spring and beyond, all while needing far less water. To help your trees and larger shrubs soak up every drop, dig shallow basins around them. These catch rainwater and guide it straight to the roots instead of letting it run off. If you have a pool, use a cover when it's not in use. A simple pool cover can dramatically cut down evaporation, meaning less topping up and more water saved. And don't forget rainwater harvesting. Attach pipes or plastic sleeves to your gutters to channel rain into the tanks or even your pool. And for those little wins, collect the cold water while waiting for your hot water to kick in. It's perfect for watering potted plants and keeps water out of the drain. Small changes like these add up quickly. With just a little effort, you can enjoy your garden this spring while helping conserve one of our most precious resources. Uphold the values of using water efficiently and stay informed by visiting our Rand Water WaterWise website or follow us on our social media platforms for more water conservation tips.